Example 2 says, the dollar value v of t of a certain model that is t years old is given by the following exponential function. V of t equals 29,900 times 0.8 to the t. Find the current price of the car and the price of the car in 3 years. Round your answer to the nearest dollar. If we're talking about the current price, we're talking about the initial amount. And that initial amount, if you think back to our formulas from above, I'm going to take you and show it to you up here. If we take a look right here, our initial amount is that number that's being multiplied in front, whether it's continuous or whether it's growth or decay, by year or month or whatever it may be, that number in front. So if we go back down here and look at our equation that we have this 29,900 times our rate to the t. This number right here, that's your initial amount. So you know that the current price of the car, the starting value of it, is $29,900. Another way to find that out is if you know that t would be equal to 0. So the current price would be after 0 years, and if you plugged 0 in for t here, you get 0.8 to the 0, which is 1, and 1 times 29,900 is still 29,900. So two different ways of doing it, but quickly looking at your exponential functions, you should know that this first number here is the initial amount. We also want to find it after 3 years. So then we'll take our account. So we're basically finding v of 3, which would be 29,900 times 0.8 raised to the third. Just plug that straight into your calculator, and it says to round to the nearest dollar. And if you round to the nearest dollar, you get $15,309. Next, I would like you to try this. It's set up very similar to example 2. So go ahead and pause it, and you can check your answer when you're ready. If you did try this correctly, your initial amount should be equal to 1,200 grams. And remember, that's just that number that's out in front here. And then after 40 hours, so A of 40, should be 166 grams. If you have any questions, please let me know.